In this video, I will show you how to post your video on YouTube, and this is very simple. First, go to your browser and type in YouTube. Inside your YouTube, this option is above. Click it and select Upload Videos. And once you're here, go ahead and select the file or video you want to post as YouTube Shorts. You want to make sure that your video is below 1 minute and HD graphics so that YouTube will consider that as shorts. In this interface, you can customize the title and add your own description regarding on what kind of video is you're posting. Now, once you're done adding some descriptions, this link should be including shorts or the word shorts. That's why I said earlier that your video should be under by 1 minute. And all the way down, we'll talk about the algorithm, where you can choose your audience. And once you're done, click next. In here, YouTube will check your video if you have copyright contains, and just wait for a few seconds and that's it. In my video, no issues has been found. Now, you can post it in public, and once you're done, just click publish below. Now to check your video, simply go to your YouTube profile and go to Shorts, and your video is already posted. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.